Hi friends, this is Padma Pavani. My channel name is B.Ed 4th semester How to go through the exams within 10 days. And my topic is Buddhist practices in contemporary education of India. So today we'll discuss about the contemporary education. First we have to follow the step-by-step process. If you remembered all these side headings, it will be easy to write in your examination. First, that is Buddhist practices. We all know the founder of Buddhist practices. He is Buddha Shakyamuni. He was born in 624 BC in Lumini place. He lived as a prince, attained enlightenment under Bodh tree in Bodh Gaya in India. He gave 84,000 teachings to purify and control our mind. He gave sympathy, deep concern on poor and oppressed. He opposed inequalities. That is about the Buddhist practices. Next we come to system of education. How the system of education in Buddhist practices. Let us see. Avidya. Avidya must be removed, which is the root cause of all the sufferings. There are three important features in this Buddhist system of education. That is system of inquiry, reform, oneness. Buddhism is to attain wisdom, and education must be provided in peaceful surroundings. That is in a democratic way, and luxury must be prohibited in this system. Here the system of education is based on teachings of Gautama Buddha. Next, coming to aims of education. The aims of education will be mainly they focused on the wisdom, all around development of the child. And to attain a wisdom, he must be a free man, wise and intelligent. Value education must be given to the child for character development, preparation of a complete life, and development of good conduct. Moral discipline must be inculcated, skills must be developed, eradicate karmakanda, propagate Buddhism. Okay, in this system we have two-tier system. One is education must be given at the elementary level as well as in the higher education level. At the elementary level, the education is given for 12 years. That is called Pappaji ceremony. Next is Upasampada ceremony, which is given for 20 years. Totally, the education is given for 32 years. Next, they have given importance for women education and mandatory for vocational education, and the daily routine of students. They have to get up early, they have to take care of their teachers, and they have to follow religious education. Next, we'll see about the methods of teaching. Here the methods of teaching is group discussion, verbal education, prominence of reasoning, conferences must be done. They have to take them to the field trips for the students, imparting the education. That is about the methods of teaching. Next we will see about the curriculum. How the curriculum? The curriculum is to attainment of salvation of Buddhist teachings. Because they are following completely the Buddhist practices, right? Next, the subjects involved in this curriculum are weaving, spinning, tailoring, painting, Ayurveda, surgery are the subject learned in these Buddhist practices. In higher education, they mainly focus on the religion, philosophy, medicine and science, and they use a Pali language to teach. Both practical and theoretical were equally emphasized. Next, coming to the role of teacher. Here the teacher plays very important role. He is a spiritual father. He must lead a simplicity life knowledge must be inculcated to the students, which is most important, and he should have some ideals. Next, coming to role of students. Here the role of students is, students should live in an ideal way. There must be a good relationship between the teacher and the student. Students should follow strictly the discipline. Next, coming to discipline. Here the discipline is, how the discipline can be attained by giving respect to the teachers, and the teachers should not give any punishment. They should follow the discipline, meditation and wisdom. Should not do any injustice, that is like not to kill, not to say any lie, not to theft, and not to eat improper in time. No drugs must be taken, that is alcohol. He should not speak any ill, not to accept gold or silver as gifts. This is about the Buddhist practices. I hope you understand this topic. If you want to subscribe this channel, please click on the bell button. Thank you.